Polybaby Air Compressor Nebulizer System Demonstration. This film covers the following information. 1. Product specifications and accessories. 2. Product mechanisms and functions. 3. Usage and instructions. 4. Cleaning and maintenance. 5. Safety precautions. 1. Product specifications and accessories. Thank you for choosing the Polybaby Air Compressor Nebulizer System. When you open the package, please check whether all the components, accessories, and bundled gifts are included. Main components and accessories of this product include one machine unit, accessory set, including a medicine cup set, an oxygen mask, a nasal suction cup set, a handheld nebulizer inhaler set, 2 oxygen tubes, a Polybaby nasal wash bottle set, and a warranty card stamped by your retailer inside a bilingual owner's manual in English and Chinese. Two, product mechanisms and functions. Polybaby Air Compressor Nebulizer uses a pneumatic mechanism to atomize liquid, saline solution, or a prescription drug for respiratory treatment through direct or indirect inhalation. The system achieves nasal conditioning and cleaning, and enables the optimal absorption of liquid drugs by turning the liquid into fine aerosol droplets. The patented nasal suction cup effectively guides the nasal discharge out to prevent lower respiratory tract infection and laryngitis caused by backflow of nasal discharge. Fun cartoon characters and pleasant polyphonic music soothe children during aerosol treatment and thus help to achieve the best therapeutic effect and reduce the chances of an allergic reaction or infection in the respiratory tract. The MIT, made in Taiwan, low-noise motor fitted with an overheating automatic cutoff system, transformer, and fuses ensures maximum safety. Three, usage and instructions. Instructions. First, fill the medicine cup with normal saline solution or a liquid prescription drug. Remember to insert the green funnel in the cup and then screw the lid onto the medicine cup tightly. The aerosol discharge function will be affected if the green funnel is damaged or missing. Fit the medicine cup on the facial mask adapter or mouthpiece of the inhaler set. Connect one end of an oxygen tube to the corresponding hole on the medicine cup. Connect the other end of the oxygen tube to the aerosol outlet on the air compressor nebulizer system. Turn the power switch to on and check whether the mist and vapor comes out from the device unobstructed. Instructions for the atomizer function. Set the machine on a flat and stable surface. Plug the power cord into a power outlet. Connect one end of an oxygen tube to the aerosol outlet. Connect the other end of the oxygen tube to the corresponding hole on the medicine cup. Fill the bottom part of the medicine cup with liquid prescription drug or normal saline solution. Please make sure that the green funnel is placed in the cup. Then, tighten the lid. Choose the inhaler type, including a 3-way adapter, rippled tube, and mouthpiece, or a mask-type nebulizer as needed. Connect the set to the cap of the medicine cup. Turn the power switch to on and start the breathing treatment as instructed by your physician. Caution: to prevent obstruction from the atomizing process, do not connect the nasal suction set to the machine during a breathing treatment. After the treatment is completed, turn the power switch to off and unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remember to rinse the medicine cup and green funnel with water after each use and let them air dry before putting them away. Instructions for the nasal suction function. Connect one end of an oxygen tube to the suction outlet on the machine and the other end to the adapter on the cap of the nasal suction cup set. The counter current washer fitted into the nasal suction cup is designed to prevent nasal discharge from flowing back into the machine. Be sure to place the washer in the upper part of the suction cup with the bulging side facing down, and then lock the cap. Next, place the silicone tip into the nose. For the best result, make sure the front end of the silicone tip is fitted to the nostril as tightly as possible. Turn the power switch to on and begin to draw out the nasal discharge. Caution: please put the filter cotton cap in place. Do not lose the filter cap. A missing filter cap will cause poor suction or exhaust. After nasal discharge section is completed, turn the power switch to off and unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remember to rinse the suction cup, silicone suction tip, and countercurrent washer with water after each use and let them air dry before putting them away. Caution: to prevent obstruction from the suction process, do not connect the nebulizer unit to the machine during nasal suction treatment. When nasal discharge is viscous and suction is obstructed, use the seawater nasal sprayer included and spray 2 to 3 times to dilute the nasal discharge for easy suction. (4) Cleaning and maintenance. Before cleaning, make sure to remove the oxygen tube from the nebulizer medicine cup and disassemble the mask, duct, and mouthpiece. Except for the oxygen tube, between treatments, the medicine cup set should be screwed open, washed with warm water, and left to dry before storing in a clean container. Disassemble the other parts. Rinse with clean water, flick the water off the parts, and let them air dry. Caution: do not attempt to sterilize the tubes and accessories through boiling or high pressure. To take care of the oxygen tubes, only wipe the outer surface of the tubes. Reinstall silicone tips following the direction of the curve. Please Please be aware of the electrical shock hazard and unplug the machine unit immediately after use. Wipe the exterior of the machine unit with a damp cloth. Do not immerse the machine unit in water to avoid damage. To prevent damaging the product, please follow the above cleaning procedures. Please be reminded, open the filter cotton cap and check whether the filter cotton is soiled once every 2 weeks. Please replace the filter cotton immediately when found to be soiled to ensure smooth airflow during operation. 5. Safety precautions. To prevent cross-infection, please thoroughly clean the mask, mouthpiece, aerosol tube, medicine cup, and funnel after each use. Do not share the accessories with others. Do not shake the machine violently. And never immerse the machine in water. Electric shock or malfunction may occur. To prevent liquid from entering the motor, only use the Senjujul nasal suction cup set. Do not connect other accessories to the machine. Malfunction may occur. When using this machine in bed, please make sure the ventilation outlet is free from obstruction to avoid damage caused by overheating. Do not open the machine or make any modifications to the machine. Please contact your dealer for support as soon as possible if you have any questions about the product. To prevent the overuse of prescription drugs, please use this product as instructed by your physician or healthcare professional. Children should use this product under the supervision of an adult. Unplug the power cord from the outlet after use, and avoid use of a multi-socket extension cord to ensure safe operation of the machine.